Hey everyone, I'm here to demonstrate a very easy and simple tool for you to use that can capture your desktop movements, as I'll be demonstrating in just a minute. I thought this would be a great tool for those of you who are using Blackboard as an enhancement, fully online, or as a hybrid. That way, you might be able to create in a very short period of time a demo or maybe a tour and an explore of your online class. So for example, I'm here in the page entry after the student or after we've logged in, and I want you to notice that the courses are on the right-hand side, so you're aware of that. But I also want you to know that sometimes students can click in the announcement area. Watch what happens when I click into the announcement area. It takes them into the announcement area and then they're kind of stuck. They're not really sure what to do then after that. So if you demonstrated something like this could save lots of time and frustration for your students. So I'm going to go into my class because this is, as you know, how to get inside the class, not just inside an announcement. So I'm using a software called Screencast-O-Matic. It's free. You don't even need to download anything. You can just use it right from the site. You can record. You can use a webcam as I'm doing here. I think a webcam is a nice touch, especially if you won't be seeing your students. It's nice to give them an idea of who you are and your presence. But another thing that I like about this type of tool is, again, you can save yourself time. So maybe your students won't be asking you questions, well, what do I do once I log into my online class? Notice my point of entry happens to be the dashboard. I could be explaining a little bit about the dashboard to my students, what it means, what it will do, and then I could take them to some of the other links on the menu on the left-hand side. I could show them what announcements are, how they'll come to their email when I set up an announcement. I can talk about the course content, maybe show them where the syllabus is and how to open it. I can show them where to start here if you have a learning module for all the getting started basic information they need. A lot of times students will come here and they won't click on the link first, they'll try to click on the icon. This way you can demonstrate how to get into a learning module, how it works, how they can go through a learning module sequentially or out of sequence, how they could click through some of the activities. It might be helpful to show your students how documents will open up, maybe in a new window, maybe they'll open up inside of the frame of Blackboard, or maybe they need to be downloaded. When it comes to some of your communication tools, you can show them how they work. For example, I think it's a really good idea to maybe, if you're using a Turnitin assignment, you could click on the Turnitin assignment, and I think it's always helpful to have written directions to address some of the different learning styles for our students. But a lot of times students will just glaze over the text instructions. And so what you could do with using Screencast-O-Matic is you could demonstrate how to click in using View Complete and then show them how they could upload their assignment and submit to Turnitin. I believe this is going to be a very helpful tool for all of you, and I think you're really going to like it, and I'm hoping that when I offer some training in it that you would be able to attend. So again, I'm really excited about this tool to share with you. Some of your fellow colleagues are already using this tool, and I just wanted to share with you how it might be easy for you to get on board with using this tool as well. Thank you.